Here's a look at the latest for the next few days, and Sunday has got a pretty reasonable picture for most places. We've got a ridge of high pressure across the country. We've got a warm front that's moving up slowly from the southwest, which will bring low cloud and drizzly rain to parts of south and west Wales, and gradually that front will just move into the western coastal hills of Scotland, where some snowfall is possible later on in the day. For most of the daytime, though, it's a dry and a bright one, a frosty start in many of the valleys and the glens, and temperatures on the Munros at around -2 to -4 on the highest tops. One or two snow or hail flurries may just come into the Northern Highlands early in the day. Wind speeds will tend to ease, in most places very light, but could be up to 30 miles per hour across the Cairngorms early on, so feeling cold where exposed on high tops. Now, I mentioned some snow coming into the West Highlands on Sunday afternoon, and this chart shows you rainfall in 3-hour steps, and with cold air in place, it's pretty safe to assume that this is coming into the mountains as some snow, and increasingly so through into Sunday evening and night as fronts drive their way in from the west. The extent to which it starts to turn to rain is somewhat uncertain even at this stage. I think around the lower coastal slopes it will do, and maybe even around the central belt overnight. It gradually turns more and more to rain, but across the mountains, many hours worth of snowfall could occur through overnight into Monday, and perhaps well on through into Monday daytime too, with that milder air really struggling to make any inroads into the Highlands. So a bit of a messy picture through into Monday daytime. So there's the chart for Monday. You can see the fronts trailing eastwards across the country. We've got the warm or mild air trapped to the south of those main fronts across England and Wales. We've got the strongest winds across the Pennines, Lakes and Snowdonia too, with lighter winds within the centre of the low, which is across Scotland. Now, very, very uncertain in terms of how things will progress by the time we get to Tuesday. Some further fronts trying to drive their way northwards. This model chart may be much too quick, and there's a chance that there's some further snowfall across the Highlands, so really keep a close eye on the latest forecast updates over the next few days.